Welcome to the channel. I have my truck here. I don't drive this that often. I only use it for whatever, basically for plowing and getting lumber and stuff like that. All right. So it sits here pretty much most of the time, and occasionally, I've seen some mice droppings and stuff underneath the hood. I recently had to repair the windshield washer hose. It looked like it got eaten. It didn't look like it rotted. It looked like it got eaten. And I know, mice like to eat wires and stuff like that. I didn't know about the windshield washer fluid hose. But anyway, I don't know if it did or not. And I know they will eat through fuel lines too. I've seen that happen. So I got a natural deterrent that I'm going to make up. But first, what you need to do is, clean up your engine compartment with if you have anything in there, like any mouse droppings or anything like that, clean that up. It's kind of almost clean. It's wintertime right now. I don't have my hose out, so I just, threw some water on there and rinsed it off. There's some, droppings right there. I don't know if you can see. But yeah. Let me show you what I'm going to make up. Okay, first, what you need, peppermint essential oil. You could get that anywhere. They usually come in little small bottles. But I ordered this, online. Get it bigger. This is like 16 ounces. Usually they come in an ounce, so I ordered this online to get more of it. Okay. Another thing that you need, spray bottle. I picked this up online. This is a, 12 ounce one, whatever. Okay. There'll be links in the description below if you want to order any of these. Okay. I thought it was a good value of buying by this, 16 ounce instead of the little 1 ounce bottles that you get for like, $8, $5, $8. But this was pretty good price, For the price I got that for, you'd probably only buy 4 bottles of the regular size ones. So anyway, let me show you what to do. Just take your cover off. Depending on how strong you want it. I've seen some videos where they just put in a few drops, but we like to make ours stronger, so I've seen it where they just, it only works for a day or so, but, So I'm putting in more than a few drops, so I got about 2 ounces in there. Then you put some water in there. There. Let's try that. You want to shake it up because it doesn't mix well. You can see the the oil floating on the water, so you want to mix it up before you spray it. So, all right, let's go back outside and spray this down. So, you can also use this in your garages and your sheds or something if you have some mice activity, spray it around the walls and stuff, because you know how mice like to walk along the walls and stuff. I've used this on my lawn tractor. I spray the motor because I've had it where mice have gotten into the motor, made a nest in the motor, and eaten my coil wires on my lawn tractor. So now I leave my lawn tractor with the hood open, and I spray this a couple times. Spray the engine, spray in the engine. This is, natural, so it ain't gonna harm anything, So just go around and just spray everything. Oh, let me twist the knob here. All right. There we go. Okay. Just spraying everything down. There. Just wet it down, whatever. You might want to spray it every month or whatever. I'm gonna do our other car here. This is our Toyota. We don't drive this one that often either. It's our second car. We drive our Honda a lot. Let's look around here. I don't see anything. Oh, there we go. Look at acorn there. Yep. Some mouse shit. Or whatever. Oops. Some mouse feces. So, let's spray this down a little bit. You know. You may not want to spray it directly into your, if you have carbed. If you have a vehicle with natural carburation and stuff, you may not want to spray it in your air cleaner or anything like that, but yeah. Looks good to me. Let's just go check on my lawn tractor again. I don't remember the last time I sprayed it, so might want to spray it again here. I use this sometimes. My wife uses this to go up in our attic of the house because we've had some mice problems in the attic. So she goes up there and sprays around there up in the attic. And when she does that, we haven't had any mice. Looks like the leaves blew underneath my shed here. So, all right. So I just go around and spray in there. That's where mice get in. I just spray around here. Spray up in there. Like this one here. Where's the exhaust? There's the exhaust. I don't know if you can see it, but all right, there we are. Like I said, just peppermint oil, some water, and a spray bottle. Simple, easy to use, natural. You may have to spray it, monthly or whatever, how often. But it does work. It does keep them away. It does deter them until it wears out. So, link for the mint oil that I use will be in the description below, along with cheap spray bottle. This comes in a 2-pack. You can get some other ones, bigger ones. But yeah, that'll be it for today. So you know what to do. Hit all those buttons. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.